Hello everyone, let's make strawberry crumbled frozen yogurt today. Let's begin with the ingredients. Greek yogurt, cookie crumbs, strawberries, vanilla essence, and condensed milk. Did you know strawberries are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, which help reducing the risk of cancer, diabetes, stroke, and heart disease? Add the strawberries into the grinder and make them into a fine puree. Finally, add all ingredients into the grinder and grind them. Yogurt is rich in protein, calcium, vitamins, and life culture or probiotics that help in boosting immune system. It also offers protection for bones and teeth and help prevent digestive problems. Now pour the mixture into the container and sprinkle cookie crumbs and freeze it for minimum an hour for smooth soft texture.